Hello guys, this is Mauro from InputInfotech.com, and on this video we'll look at the steps to check if the Windows 10 version 18.03 is installed on your PC. Because on Windows 10 updates are incremental and the name no longer changes, it is always called Windows 10, it is hard to know which is the current version your PC is running. So if you want to know exactly what you are running, use these instructions. Open Settings, go to System, and then go to the About page. If under version it reads 18.03, then you're running the latest version of Windows 10. Also, this version of Windows 10 has an OS build number, which is 17133. The number after the period increases with every monthly update, also known as Patch Tuesday. Alternatively, Windows 10 version 18.03 introduces a new Test View button, so if you see this new button, then you're running the newest version of Windows 10. Also, another way you can tell if you're running version 18.03 is to check the Settings app, because it's being updated with a new homepage, as you can see right here. And also, in each section, you will see a new transparency effect, which is called acrylic material, part of the Fluent Descent system. If you see these changes, then you're running the Windows 10 version 18.03. And that's all there is to it. Of course, there are many other ways to check, for example using Command Prompt and PowerShell. But this is the quickest method that anyone can use. If you're not running the latest version, I'll be leaving a link in the video description to another video that will walk you through the step to upgrade your PC. Remember to like the video and leave your comments. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.